What's up guys, it's your boy, Mad Mike, and on today's episode, we're finally done the Electric Jetski. So stay tuned, check it out.
If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Ha! Dare to be you. This world is just a canvas to our imagination. Turn a figment of your mind into creation.
Fuck bugs! Don't open up. Coming right in the nostril. Whew. Just going for a cruise with my babe on the electric scoot jet ski. Yoo! Going down the lake right now. Go see if it's calm waters. Why am I so blurry? There we go. Oh! A little bumpy. Here we are. Got no brakes. Better slow down. We have arrived at the lake. Say hi, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. All right, we'll give you guys an introduction on the electric jet ski. It's all done, so check it out. Welcome back to another episode, guys. We are finally done the electric jet ski conversion. A lot of guys are doing these things on scooters, and I chose to do it on an electric trike. What we did was we took a Polaris 650 SL jet ski and we cut a big hole in the bottom of it. Then I took a mobility scooter, which is a tricycle, with 2 marine grade batteries and an electric motor, and we mounted the jet ski body on top. This is the final result. It can carry 2 people. You could probably even tow somebody behind if you really wanted to. So if you come up here, I'll show you some stuff that we've done to it. These are where all the controls are here. So we got my camera girl behind me here, Sarah. And if you look at this, Sarah, this is where the key area is. Fire it up, shows your battery voltage, and that's basically it. Once you're powered up, over here you got your throttle, and you got forwards. The cool thing about this one is you also got reverse. So unlike these electric scooters, it's really easy to handle. It doesn't tip over, it basically stays upright. Everything's very roughed in right now. You got 2 marine grade batteries underneath here. It's probably hard to see, it's pretty dark outside. You got your electric motor back there, and basically just clicks back on. In the front, you got a little compartment where you can put your groceries or your beach towel, whatever you want. So that's basically it. I think what we'll do now is Sarah and I will hop onto the jet ski and we'll go for a little spin. We'll show you guys this going down the road. Buggy in. You got forwards. The best part about this is it doesn't want to tip over like the scooter jet skis that everybody's building. You got reverse, guys. Pin it to winner, give her some pepper. Ripping. That thing looks so much fun. Want to give me a quick lift? Fun little build. Apparently it's got a 100-kilometer range to a full charge. Little dark outside right now, so if you guys can't see anything, but I might be selling this tomorrow. So we had to do the vlog tonight and get you guys a glimpse of the electric jet ski. It's a short little video, but it's getting pretty dark outside. And I think I gave you guys a bit of a glimpse of what this thing looks like, handles like. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure to leave a message below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe. There'll be a lot more cool content coming your way, a lot more custom builds. What do you think, Sarah? This thing's pretty wicked or what? Yeah, should I sell it? No? watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao. Woo!